Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that Microsoft has recently announced that Word, Excel and PowerPoint on Windows are getting fountain and brush pens. And if that sounds familiar, it's because the same tools were introduced in OneNote on Windows a year ago, with Microsoft saying from the announcement you can now unleash creativity with the brush pen when adding ink and annotations in PowerPoint or Excel, or write your notes in Word with a bit more flourish using the fountain pen. Now, Microsoft says that additions can make the Draw tab feel crowded, so because of this, it's added the options to add, remove and reorder your drawing tools, and this means it's now easy to customize the Draw tab layout to prioritize the pens, pencils and highlighters you use the most. Now, how this will all work basically is you would open the Draw tab in a new or existing file in Word, Excel or PowerPoint for Windows, and Microsoft says you will notice two new pens, fountain and brush. And then to change the placement of a drawing tool, you would press and hold on the tool and then drag it left or right in the menu. And then to delete a drawing tool from the toolbox, you press and hold on the tool or right click on it and then select delete. Over and above that, you can also expand the tools option and select delete tool, as we can see in the GIF provided from the announcement. And the feature is available to Word, Excel and PowerPoint for Windows users running version 2508 with build 19127.20,000 or later, according to Microsoft. So if you are using Word, Excel and PowerPoint for Windows, just wanted to keep you posted like we like to do on the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.